Hi, this is Carl St. Jess. You wanted to just show you I got my mask here. Do have my mask, so as you're out in public, that is very important. Just wanted to talk a little bit about, just give a shout out, say I'm thankful for today. And you know, there's a lot more blessings than you really think and that you can count for. And I think part of that is coming to a realization that of who you are. Right now I'm in sunny Burbank, California, land of the studios. Man, shout out to NBC and Disney, and probably they won't get this, I don't know if they will, but I love your content. Right, it's great for the kids, I'll tell you that. And just always keep doing what you're doing, keep it clean, it's all good. Man, I just think it's great to be alive. Even though we have so many problems going on right now, we have a lot of solutions being put into place. Even myself, I'm still seeing patients in the clinic, still having to have contact with people and protect myself and protect others and still get tested and fight all the misinformation and the under information, I don't want to say uninformed, but you know, there's a lot going on. And so you know, from a physiological standpoint, what can I say besides take care of yourself? Make sure that your body is working great. Make sure that your mind is working great. There's a lot of great exercises. Learn more about anatomy and physiology, as I'll be going back to school here to brush up on a couple of my sciences, right? To create a better base so I can educate people better. So I know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't know what they're talking about. I do agree. You can't walk around with a YouTube education. Do not walk around with a YouTube education. Use it as a tool, use it as a resource, but then go to school, learn, figure it out, work in the field, and come up with your own conclusions. So with that, it's a sunny day. Trying to get some sun on my back because that's the yang side. And I still need to research the physiology, the science behind it. Why is yang on the back and yin on the front? Right? Meaning you don't want to get sun on the side that's meant for shade, which makes sense because you don't want sun glaring in your face, right? If it's on your back, it's okay. Duh, right? Gotta love traditional Chinese medicine. So, trying to get the blood pumping, making sure I'm well hydrated, making sure that you can have like a Gatorade mix, you can do a natural solution. Some people say, what about lemon and water? You know, it's a combination of lemon, water, and sugar, right? Because you're using all three. And so, I say, don't just douse yourself with water. Don't just douse yourself with water. So, yeah, thought I saw something that says it's gonna get a call here. Okay, sorry, had to decline this call. So make sure you're mixing it up. You can also do like watermelon, qigua, in traditional Chinese medicine. That is replenishing watermelon and cantaloupes. Yeah, and get ready for the summer. Right? There's some herbs that are really good for keeping the body cool, such as chrysanthemum tea, such as mint. A lot of people use mint in the winter, and that's actually, sorry, I'm walking in the shade, so if you can't see me here, that's actually not the best, right? You want to use mint in the summer. Summer mint is great. Winter mint is not as good for the body. So I'll give you some more tidbits. Stay safe, wash your hands, stay your distance, wear your mask. Okay? Follow the guidelines, and then if there's anything else that you can add to the discussion that's positive, that you have some valid excuse or accreditation for, then go ahead. But don't skip the basics. This is from the licensed acupuncturist, Carlos and Jest. Hope you have a great day.